is Xiaomi Wi-Fi router 2.4 GHz. Is looking so dirty, so filthy because it was installed near kitchen. The oil and dust accumulate over this router and it's become look like nasty. And this router is not working properly. It's constantly rebooting. So guys, today in this video we're going to open this router, clean it, and hope it will fix the router. So guys, let's begin the video. Guys, I able to remove these two antenna, but this one is little bit hard. I'm not able to remove the PCB from this antenna. I can desolder these two wire and remove the PCB, or I can clean it without desoldering anything. That will be the best idea, guys. So I'm not going to desolder anything. Let's clean this part. I'll take it in the bathroom and clean it. I covered the PCB using a plastic so that water do not get inside. And here I am going to clean the front part. So guys, everything is clean. Now it's look like brand new router. Guys, we also need to clean this PCB. Look at this dust and dirt over the PCB using some isopropyl alcohol. Now guys, let's put back everything together. Put the antenna back. So guys, as you see, finally I able to clean this router and it's look like a brand new router. I bought this router from Facebook Marketplace around 300 rupees. So if you convert it, it's around $4. The $4, it's a good deal. But one problem I'm facing with this router, whenever I put some load, it's rebooting. And I find the culprit. The culprit is the power supply. The seller gave me a wrong power supply. It's 12 volt, 500 milliampere power supply. Also, it's a cheap Chinese power supply. Router required 5 volt on ampere, and because there is a buck converter inside this router who probably support up to 12 volt or more, that's the reason this router is still alive. Basically what happening, guys, this router is not getting enough power whenever we putting some load, and that's the reason in rebooting. So I get this power supply. This is a D-Link 5 volt 1 ampere power supply. It's a proper power supply. So let's power on this router using this 5 volt power supply and let's see how it performs. So let's connect with this router. This router Wi-Fi SSID is Red Queen Plus. Let's connect with it. Okay, connected. I already set it up on repeater mode and let's check the speed. So I'm getting around 30-36 Mbps. The upload and download speed is around 30-35 Mbps. It's a decent speed for the discount cheap wireless 2.4 GHz router. We can use it as a decent 2.4 GHz repeater. Around 300 rupees. It's a good deal, but I recommend you guys don't buy any 2.4 GHz router. Buy a dual band router. It's work way better. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.